This is a used 2011 Ford F-250, powered by four-wheel drive, a 6.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include trailer hitch, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, split rear seats, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Sames Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We're located at 4721 Ayers, Corpus Christi, Texas 78415.